welcome back to my channel, and this beast is Aprilia Shiver 750 2007, the beast. Let's walk around and explain you a bit about this video. This video is going to be just a quick one for the changing the coolant fluid, and also I want to remove actually the water pump and see what's behind this boy in here, because something is making noise, so it could be a problem with the water pump. If not, happy days. But still, what we're going to do, we're going to drain the fluid out and replace it with the brand spanking new one. So check it out. Just remove the seat, and first what we're going to do, we're going to remove this fairing in here. It's not easy access in here, but to remove the fairing ain't going to take a big job as well. So screw in there. That one you don't have to remove, and there's one on the front in here, so let's remove them off. That's it, simple as. So basically there's a one in here, it's a one up there, but they just not screwed yet, and a one in here, simple as. And that's it, easy access in here. And what we're going to do, we're going to remove this hose in here. We need some bucket or something where we're going to place the old one. So we remove this hose in here, open these boys, the caps, and just drain everything out. And also, usually you don't take this one off, you just put the clean water or something just to clean out the system, drain it again and replace it with a fresh one. But this time, I know it's not too bad, the coolant inside already, but what I want to do is to drain everything out and also remove this water pump in here. Just check it around to make sure it's good working condition. So yeah, let's crack on. Okay, so I got something to drain my old stuff in this thing in here. Also, what I'm gonna do, I want to cover this to make sure it's not going like everywhere. Don't have to really, it's not supposed to damage your paint if you clean it after straight away, but you never know. So let's remove the hose. I used the 7mm socket, and this one, everyone's got probably different sizes, different things in here, because there's so many of these days. So that one is off. Also, if you can use the gloves, please do it. That's just better for you, because we don't know what we got inside. It could be anything, but yeah, but I'm not going to use it because I can't work with the gloves. There we go. Something is coming out already, so that's a good sign though. Let's get these caps off. See, as soon as you remove them, he actually stops doing vacuum, and it comes out much better. The liquid is actually not too bad. So it's pretty empty already. So we're going to place with a fresh one. Also, you've got levels in here, I'll show you later on. You've got the minimum and the maximum in here. So bike is actually straight, so I don't think I can tilt any more. So let's remove this one, because in this case what I want to do is just want to clean a bit in here, and also remove the old pump off. And because I just want to really check what's going on and what's inside, any problems or anything like that. So let's remove thingy. That's what I'm looking for actually, it's nothing surprisable, so all looks good. This is what I'm actually looking for, to make sure these ain't snapped, because I deal with one GTS, the Vespa 300. For some reason it was making noise in the engine, and when I took the actually water pump off, and all of this was just completely damaged, and he was like mixing inside and, you know, shredding inside and making this terrible noise. And we ended up actually doing a lot of work on it. But this actually looks really good and really fresh. So happy about that. Let's clean actually this one a little bit, just a minute will see this bike been staying really long time. So that's why I want to replace all liquids. Oil is brand spanking new inside. Also we're going to change the front tyre, the battery, lots of parts to make sure this bike runs good again. It's going to be a lot of work, and a lot of work being done already. So I'm happy about that. That looks good to me. What I'm going to do, I'm going to clean this just a little bit, put back the case, put back the hose, fill up with the new fluid, and just run for some time to make sure it goes through the system. And you have to make sure your fan come up as well, you know, so it should be, I reckon it should be there more than 90 degrees on your engine. On my R6 is 100, and then the fans come up, so we'll see. So let's get this cleaned up and put the hoses back and put some liquid in. Okie dokie. So let's get this coolant in. I'm going to repeat myself, use gloves, because that's what they say in a manual. There's nothing nice in here, it's kind of liquids and chemicals inside. What I'm going to do, I'm going to place in here, make sure that is full, and then afterwards I'm going to place in the second one. Probably lots of them are still completely different, so I shut it down and let's start up the bike, and I might. So I get the liquids in, I put more than the maximum because I'm sure it's going to still go in the engine, and then we're going to see what's going to happen. Just make sure it's warm up and the fans come up, and you start circling the fluid around the engine, and then we're going to see the level, and if the level is fine, we're going to leave it and put the fairings back, and job done. So make it running. I put more than the maximum, but I'm sure it should get down to my level what I needed. If not, I need to join a bit down, but I reckon it's going to be fine. Just make sure it gets super hot, the fans come up, and then you check your level, put everything back on, the fairings, and that's the job done. So the coolant went through the system and like doing a circle, so it does the job. Basically now what we're going to do, just put back parts, and that's your cooling system. Also why you should follow me, because it's going to be a review about this bike on the future. Also we're going to do the brake bleeding, which actually I finished already, but there was an interesting part in here which I never find on YouTube. Nobody gives you tips about them, but I'm going to explain you a bit more, so that's going to be interesting video also as well. And the more about this bike is coming up. Not only I got this project in here, I can't give you the brand already like in this video, but that's going to be sick project for me. I mean, the bike is in terrible condition, it don't work, and the engine is blown in lots of different pieces. But if you want to see this bike, it will look sick, I promise you. The color and engine, we're gonna replace the cylinder heads, pistons and all blah blah blah, electronic stuff. And we're not gonna make back as like a chopper, but we're gonna make as a bobber, if you know what I mean. So that's gonna be a very interesting video, so follow me, subscribe my channel, there are more videos coming up. Also if you're interested about sport bikes like this R6, that was one of my projects as well, one of the first ones actually. So the bike looked different before, you can see, check my videos out. It was smashed up and it was rough, but now it's just amazing bike, and you can see my videos up there as well. Also got YSN up there, Yamaha. I mean, more bikes coming in, and just bikes going out, coming in, you know, is a circle and a chain, it never stops. So follow me, subscribe there, you're gonna see loads of different brands, loads of different CCs on the bikes, the big engines, small engines, the choppers, the street bikes, the track bikes, anything you like, it will be on my channel. Subscribe and follow me for it.